Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the battery not charging beyond 85% on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on battery. Now here you will see a protect battery button. So if your battery is not charging beyond 85%, it means you have turned on the protect battery button. So to charge your battery above 85%, turn off this button. So this button is to extend the battery lifespan and limit the maximum charge to 85%. So when this button is turned on, you will not be able to charge your battery above 85%. So that's how you can fix the battery not charging beyond 85% issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.